Why does the passage mention that digital commodities are becoming more prominent than actual physical assets? Now, in the second paragraph, it says that digital capitalism theory asks basic questions such as why digital commodities were primary concern and actual physical assets were ignored during housing bubble. And by raising similar questions, the theory tries to analyze digital technologists' refusal of established social constraint. So this is the purpose for which the theory is asking certain questions, and an example of that question is this question here. So we need to answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, technology is implemented without considering social impact. Yes, the passage makes a mention of this, that technology is implemented without social discussion of their impacts, but this discussion is not in the context of the discussion that we need. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, to emphasize a reason capitalist theory influences digital technology. Now, the first paragraph does accept that capitalism is an invisible framework within digital technology, but it doesn't offer any reason. Also, this discussion is not in the context of the discussion related to digital commodities and physical assets. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, to demonstrate how historical analysis depends on assumptions that are no longer valid. The second paragraph makes a reference to this and says that the theory demonstrates how historical analysis and its assumptions are no longer valid, but this discussion is not in the context of digital commodities and physical assets. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, to reason that existing laws are considered an impediment. Now, yes, the passage does mention existing laws are considered an impediment, but the discussion on digital commodities and physical assets which takes place here is not directly related to existing laws are considered an impediment. So it is incorrect to say that the passage mentions this discussion in order to or to reason that existing laws are considered an impediment. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice E, provide an example of the type of questions the theory considers in its analysis. Yes, this is what the second paragraph says when it says that the theory asks basic questions such as why digital commodities were primary concern but the physical assets were ignored. And by raising this question, the digital capitalism theory analyzes technologists' refusal for established social constraint. So we see that answer choice E is the correct answer choice.